Why, one might wonder, is it so crucial to cleanse, program, and charge your crystals? To answer that, we need to understand the very nature of these captivating stones. Crystals, like all things in our universe, are full of energy. They vibrate at different frequencies, and these vibrations can influence our own energy fields. But just as we need a good clean and recharge from time to time, so too do our crystalline companions. So how about we delve into the fascinating world of crystals and explore how to cleanse, program, and charge them. Step 1. Cleansing your crystals. This is the first step, and it is as vital as it sounds. Imagine your crystal as a sponge that has absorbed different energies from its surroundings. Cleaning helps to remove these energies, returning the crystal to its original pure state. There are several ways to cleanse a crystal. For instance, you can place it in a bowl of salt overnight or smudge it with sage. Another popular method is running it under natural water, such as a river or even a light rain shower. Remember, the goal is to remove any lingering energies that don't serve your purpose. Once your crystal is cleansed, it's time for the second step, programming. This is where you set your intention for the crystal. Hold it in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize your goal. It can be anything, from attracting love to achieving financial success. Speak your intention aloud or silently in your mind, and visualize it as a beam of light entering the crystal. This process is like giving your crystal a job, a purpose to guide its energy towards. Finally, we come to the third step, charging your crystals. This is like giving your crystal a power boost, energizing it to carry out its programmed goal. You can charge your crystals in various ways. Some people like to use the light of the full moon, while others prefer the warmth of the sun. You can also use sound vibrations from a singing bowl or place your crystal on a quartz cluster to recharge. So there you have it, a simple guide to cleansing, programming, and charging your crystals. But why does it matter? Well, think of it this way. When you buy a new phone, you don't just start using it straight out of the box. You customize it, set your preferences, and then charge it. Similarly, cleansing, programming, and charging your crystals ensures they are attuned to your energy and ready to work for your intentions. In conclusion, crystals are more than just beautiful stones. They are energetic tools that can assist us in numerous ways. But to harness their full potential, it's important to cleanse, program, and charge them properly. So the next time you bring home a new crystal, remember these steps. Cleanse it to remove any unwanted energies, program it with your intention, and then charge it to power up its energy. This way, your crystals will always be in sync with you, ready to manifest your intentions and desires into reality.